Changing a smoke alarm in this project that we're doing, and so I decided on this new first alert. It's a combination smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detector, and what I like about it is it's a slim design. It's less than an inch thick, and it's actually designed so air flows through it easier, and so you're going to have less false alarms. And the problem with false alarms is people tend to take the batteries out and put them back up, and then your home is unprotected. So this also has a couple interesting features. One is it has a built-in system where as it gets 10 years old and it's the end of its life, it'll actually start telling you with a human voice that it's at the end of its life. So you know it's time to change the unit. And then also in larger homes, when the battery is low, it gives that little chirp, and it's really hard to detect where it's coming from. So this has a built-in monitor that will tell you it's either in the hallway, the kitchen, the bathroom. So I'll go through the steps on how to install it and also how to set the programming. This is what the top of the unit looks like, and on back we have the mounting bracket, and all we have to do to remove this, the side with the circle, we're going to push that direction about 1/4 inch, and that removes the mounting bracket. And now we want to use the side with the arrow on it to mark either the wall or the ceiling, and we're going to make a mark in these two ovals where we want it mounted. And the arrow shows the side that we are going to slide the unit onto the mounting bracket, so you can't back this into a corner. So where the old smoke detector was, we had two wall anchors already in the ceiling, and this new bracket, it doesn't line up with those holes. So I'm going to line up the one wall anchor, and then I'll make a mark on the other side with a pencil so I know where to put my other wall anchor. And now, because this is a stucco type ceiling, I can't use a regular stud finder to just make sure that there's no joists here, so I'm using a Franklin stud finder, which is a fantastic deep sensor, and I just depress it and check if there's any studs here, and there's nothing. So now I'll use a 3/16 drill bit and I will put in the new wall anchor. Now that I have the anchors in the ceiling, I'm just going to put the screws in. And square it up. So I'm going to put the batteries in, and the first time you initially put your batteries in, you need to program it. So you'll be using this test button on the front. So we just put the batteries in, and we're going to set the location of our alarm.
Welcome. First alert carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. To save location, press and hold test button after location heard. Basement, child's bedroom, dining room, family room, guest bedroom, hallway, location saved. Press and hold test button to test unit. Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in hallway. Evacuate. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in hallway. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
So real nice system, easy to hear and understand, and especially if you have a low battery, it's going to tell you where it's located. That high-pitched sound is sometimes hard to locate in a large home. And now we just need to put it up. Again, this unique design is good for preventing false alarms, and it looks attractive, and it snaps in that easy. So just a real nice system for smoke and carbon monoxide.